Hello, today I'm going to be teaching you how to install our Android application on an Android media player device. Now, the reason why I'm on the home screen here is because what I'm going to do is download our application. And what I mean by that is Androids use an APK and we need to install that to the device via USB drive. So we need that actual APK in order to install it. So where I would pull that information from is over on our settings tab here. And then you're just gonna come over to downloads. And here is all the versions of our applications for different types of platforms and devices. But we're just gonna pick the Android release. And so that's gonna start the download. But what we're gonna have to do is put this install on a USB drive. But this USB drive is gonna have to be formatted to FAT32. So make sure that your USB drive is formatted before you put it into your media player. But once you've formatted it and put in this file on it and it's in the media player, we're going to go ahead and move over to the next step. All right, so the USB drive has been plugged in, and now what you want to do is you want to go ahead and install our application on your Android device. This is what your Android device is going to look like after it's been reset. It may differ between what media player you're using and who it's made by, but for the most part, it's going to look very similar. So to go ahead and start installing our application, you're going to click on these 6 dots here. And then you're going to come over to APK installer. All right, and once we got APK installer open, we're going to click app install. You can use a keyboard to navigate through these menus as well when they're plugged into your media player, but if you can have a keyboard and mouse, it's the easiest. So from here you can go to USB disk 0, UDisk 0. Do not click Android or it will crash. Then from here you need to click on our APK right here. And then this is going to allow you to install the application by just clicking through next, and install. And then this will begin the install. It should be done momentarily. And now that that's finished, we're going to go ahead and open it. So what this is going to do is it's going to basically pull up our configuration menu here. And you need to make sure that you are headed to the right server URL. If you're not sure, please contact us and we can get that answer for you as to what URL you need to log into. But it's typically the portal that you're logging into. From here, these are pretty standard, but what you want to do is you want to lock the device immediately. This is going to disable any gestures or this toolbar here at the bottom. And click OK. And this is going to lock down the device. Some devices may reboot after locking down, but others may not. All right, now that you have installed the Wallboard application, it did indeed reboot the device. And now this is what you'll see on your screen now that your device is locked down and you can only access our application on it. What this is going to do is generate that 4-digit code down in the left-hand corner. You can then take this code and add a screen within your portal and start assigning content from there. So that's actually going to be it for this video on how to install our Android application on Android media players. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, but that's going to be it. Thank you.